What is a package in Java? So package is this, like interview.question. This is a package for our main. Uh, you want to create another package, you just click right click new, you add package, you add whatever you want. So let's say new, since new is a reserved word, so you say newer, and now we have a new package here. So if we're trying to make any class, I'm just gonna name it high. I'll not add it. It will find out the new package, which is the newer. So now you have a newer package, and you have another package which is interview.question. Also, I believe if we can like not group tabs, not actually not view model. Uh, I'm not sure if we. Yeah, basically you can have like another package, which is I'll make it in the Explorer here. So yeah, so we have question package, we have newer package, and before the question we have interview package. So this is also a package. So basically this is, or actually we can view it like this one here. Yeah, this is a package, question is a package, newer is a package. So every folder that we have after the Java code is a package on its own.